Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We're going to talk about the history of Ayurveda today. Ayur just means life and Veda means knowledge. And Ayur is all kinds of life, not just the human life, plants, animals, the microbiome, everything is life. And Veda or Vidya just means knowledge. And essentially you could say it's the science of life. Now there's four kinds of Vedas that are traditionally recognized by scholars, and those are the Rig Veda, which is the book of mantras. It's your initial thoughts or the desires you have. Then there's the Yajur Veda, which is the book of ceremonies, which is all about conjoining two desires. When two desires come together and they meet, there's conjoinment. And then there's Samaveda, which is the book of songs. And it represents when two desires meet, there's a harmony, there's a music that's played. And that's what Samaveda is all about. And lastly, there's the Atharva Veda, which is the fulfillment that you get when you listen to that music. So this is the bird, and then these two are the wings. Jyotirveda is the science of light, also known as astrology. And Ayurveda, we already spoke about, is the science of life. Now we'll speak of the lineage that Ayurveda comes from. Brahma was the creator of everything. He's the creator god. And he created the Vedas. And he spoke it. This wasn't written. This is back in a higher yuga, in a higher time, where you could just say something and it becomes law. So Shruti is what it's called. So Brahma spoke and then created the Vedas, and then his son Daksha Prajapati was in charge of Ayurveda, or the science of life. And Daksha Prajapati was also given the job of looking after Brahma's creation, making sure that there's life within it. Then Daksha Prajapati's grandson were twins, Ashwini Kumaras, who were the physicians of the gods. They made sure that the gods were always good and always taken care of. Then Indra, who is also known as the god of gods, and also your senses, the five sense organs are also known as Indras. And he learned that knowledge of Ayurveda, and then he gave a job to Dhanvantari, who was the avatar of Vishnu. Now Vishnu is the sustainer. So Dhanvantari came as the avatar in this world to deliver knowledge to the masses. And out of that, there were three lineages that were formed. There was the lineage of Shishruta, who was given the duty of surgery and understanding surgery. And in fact, we use this in our modern medical system. In the Western medicine, they've learned a lot from the Sushruta Samhita. Then there was Kashyap, who was given the task of learning pediatrics. And then there was Bhardwaj, who was given the task of learning general medicine, such as herbs and all things that are not necessarily specialized. We're going to be focusing most on Bhardwaj's lineage, because his lineage is what we have the most text available from. And we'll slightly go over Kashyap, the pediatrics and OBGYN stuff. It'll be really basic. We'll mostly just focus on Bhardwaj. So thank you for watching. Please forgive me for any mistakes, and I'll see you guys on the next one.